How to trade Forex without losing. Anyone who is into Forex trading needs some Forex trading systems to do the trade more effectively. But you may say that a Forex trading tool is not necessary as you have gone through the demos and then gained adequate experience trading online. You may also have taken some courses on the intricacies of Forex trading where you have learned all about charts and analysis that you think can help you trade for a profit. But with all the theoretical knowledge you need hands-on Forex tools to take instant trading decisions. And instant trading decisions in Forex trade can be the key to making profits. Forex trading can be carried on 24/7 unlike stock markets that operate for a particular period in the day. Moreover, the currency markets of the world are all over and so you can transact business any time of the day. And Forex markets trading systems can give you company full-time and the Forex tools you apply will keep working when the computer is on as well as when the computer is off. It is like automated Forex trading that the Forex trading systems can do while you leave home to attend a party. With Forex tools you can make quick money safely as the indicators alert you when to buy and when to close positions. You can trade the currencies more accurately with the Forex trading software. Usually all Forex transactions and trades are done online. If you are new to the trades you can use the Forex trading systems to test the market. You can get a demo account that will be available for free and you can learn the Forex strategies. You have to access the Forex trading system through the internet and learn about the charts and how they predict uptrend and downtrends. The ideal benefit of the Forex trading software comes in the form of advance warnings or alerts before a trend is underway. Unless you can get on board early, chances of making a profit lessens. Similarly, during a downtrend you have to exit early in the Forex strategies that are in the Forex trading systems to forewarn about any event. The trading software sends news about market conditions and global economic policies that can impact the currency price. In a way, it is the best Forex tool to have during trading. From the online offers you can choose the best Forex trading software that would suit your requirement.